like I said, I'm holding it here. I'm gonna do one swipe, do another, and then hopefully I'll be able to pick it up. And there's the image. Okay, so it's really nice. And then you can just, you know, figure out which way you want to lay it. I'm gonna lay it and make sure that I get the whole nail.
Oh, that's fascinating.
Yes.
Okay.
So what about that reverse stamping?
That's what this is for.
Okay.
I already
I'm ready.
told you.
I know. I'm ready.
Now when you put the top coat on there, it's gonna come up more. What? What? Wait a minute. Wait a minute, this is my stuff. Okay, so look, I just want to show you again, these are sticky. Look, baby. And I need to clean, and there it is right there. Okay, make sure you clean your sides, and once you do this, you're going to get, now this, because it's a polish, look, you can use cotton or your nail wipe. You have to clean this, okay? And then you have to clean your plate. Okay, don't leave any polish on here. Why? Because the polish stays in the crevices, and then you won't be able to pick up your image. Okay? I don't like to use cotton.
Oh.
I hate this thing. I don't like to use cotton because the images are deep. So sometimes when you run the cotton, it leaves little strands in it. And I don't want anything. Oh, my plate. Okay? I love, you guys see I love all my stuff, right? All my toys. I love them. So you really want to take care of your things, okay? eBay. So just touch, you know, I mean, look how pretty that is. There's my boo-boo. We're going to throw a rhinestone on there. And we're just going to do, look at
How much were
this.
these?
Look, look.
That's cute. I think the set might have been 20.
6 came in a set?
Wait, I'm not finished yet. Then what you could do, put your little rhinestone there and then frame it with the glitter gel. Oh, that'll be too cute.